The French brand APC did a collaboration with Persol, and this is one of the glasses from their collection. With your sunglasses, you get a microfiber cloth to clean your glasses with, literature on your eyewear, and then a hard case. Here's a detailed shot of the hard case. We have mixed textiles. So up top we have a leather-like material, and then the front portion is made out of this cotton fabric. And then the majority of the body of the case looks like it's made out of that leather material. There is a snap closure. Then the interior is lined with a nice soft material. This is a classic aviator style shape from Persol, done in completely a white acetate, which I've never seen Persol do before. If we flip these guys over, you'll see that classic Persol hinge. This is also known as a flex hinge because it's very accommodating towards a wider head. It easily flexes out to ensure the glasses fit comfortably. Alright, so let's go over the measurements. The lens width is 54 millimeters, the nose bridge is 20 millimeters, and the temples measure 140 millimeters long.